Hi everyone, welcome to Pati-Pati. Kayo doon. Oh my body. Okay, there you go. Again, take two. Hi everyone, welcome to Personal Development Class with Mom Princess. Okay, so again, welcome to Personal Development Class, and this is your first quarter Module 2, Developing the Whole Person. So just a disclaimer, this is just a guide video on how to answer the activities, okay? Just to be specific, 2 activities in the module. So first is the what I know part. What I know, what I know, what I know, and what I know. Actually, what you know. Okay? So in what I know part, do not stress yourselves in answering this this part, the questions in the what I know part, because again, as I said before, that this is just a diagnostic test in wherein we teachers will see or determine the prior knowledge that you have regarding the lessons in the module. So, so, no anat amuyo isulat answeran. Nanat amuyo isulat answeran nyo in module. Okay? Anyway, this is just a diagnostic part to be compared sa assessment part. Kasi, may makita, no, adamit lang na sursuro yung ka DJ module. No, tuti na ala yung what I know part, and then perfect, perfect assessment part, kaya't nasa when, effective DJ module. Next is the what's in part, activity 1. Okay, assess the aspects of development. So we have 8 aspects here, namely physical self, intellectual self, emotional self, sensual self, interactional self, nutritional self, contextual self, and spiritual self or force life. So in activity 1, it says there that you need to draw a circle, divide it into 8 aspects, and then, write a description on these 8 aspects. So, mesa-mesain tayo isuda, we will discuss no ana ba digitoy na aspects. And this will be a guide in answering activity 1. So, first is the physical self. So, just describe yourself. Kumita ka EJ Sarming, anak makitam, DJT isurat mo. Okay? You can write your height, weight, facial appearance, no adda iti ceiling you, itaru payo, no pouty lips kayo ba, anything, okay? The facial appearance, quality of skin, color and length of hair, and other body parts. Just your physical attributes. Mabalin mo ibaga nga, ay singkit na, ay dakkel ti matak, ay kasiti kulay iti matak. I have a fair skin, I have brown or dark skin, anything. I have a pointed nose, kasajay. Okay? So, kumita ka lang EJ Sarming. No, anat makita EJ Sarming, isurat mo. Very simple. Next is intellectual self. Nadi manen. Apay. Okay. So, next is digitan DJ pagbakta tayo nga you can describe your age, your build, okay, your height, eyes, face, ears, mouth, anything nga makita mo J. Sarming, you can write it on the physical self part. Next is the intellectual self. Okay, this is, or you can write the assessment, or you can assess how well you reason and solve problems, your capacity to learn and create, okay? You can write about your knowledge, wisdom, and insights. Ibaga nga, fast learner ka, okay, I'm a fast learner. Slow learner, asla ka jay, okay? Just about your intellectual self. Next is your emotional self. You can write here about your feelings, the feelings you have, the feelings you seldom have, the feelings you avoid and enjoy. Okay? You can also write the feelings from your past and present. O, kaslang kuma, jolly, I am a jolly person. Sakajay. Or, I hate being blue. Sakajay. Di ba? Okay. What do you feel right now? O, naanat mafe-feel mo data, isulat mo. Sakajay. Next is sensual self. How you feel as a sensual person. What sense do you use most? So, because the lesson to grade 5, we have 5 senses. Okay? So, as you can see on the screen, ita digijay 5 senses tayo. So, anati kanayon mo us-usaran nga senses. O, nukas lang ko ma face-to-face, anat kanayon ni us-usaran the sense of okay, bahala ka itan. Okay. So, baka ti kanayon yung us-usaran ket is your sense of smell or your sense of hearing. Okay. Apay DJ ti kanayon yung us-usaran. So, ret ko ijay. Okay? So, based on how you let information in and out your body. Ada nga min DJ ubing nga mas makasurusuro da no deng-denggen da. Adamet DJ ubing nga mas makasurusuro da no makit-kita da. So, anaking ka. You decide. You ask yourself. You assess yourself. Okay? So, next is interactional self. This is all about your relationship with other people. How you mingle with other people. Kasano ka nga makitungo kanya da. Okay. How your friends describe you. O, ag-askan to ti friend mo. Oy, Des, ananak ba? Kasanunak ba as a person? Kasanunak ba as a friend? O, or damagan nyo ni nanang, ni tatang, or ni kabsat. Slang, mama, papa, kasanunak ba? Akas anak. And then, isurat yo, enjoy interactional self part. Very easy, right? Next is nutritional self. Okay. You talk about your health. You describe your health. Okay? You describe how you nourish yourself. Mahilig ka ba iti healthy foods? Or mas prefer mo ti junk foods kasi na-imas or nalakla ka? Diba? Okay, describe yourself. Okay. Ag-exercise ka ba? And next is contextual self. Okay. You can write descriptors in the areas of maintenance of your living environment. You can write about your preferences. Mas kayat mo ba iti lively colors or mas kayat mo jay kaslang it's not dull. Ano kulay dito yan? Ping. I couldn't. Pastel color. Mas kayat mo ba digijay pastel color ka jay? Or kayat mo ba digijay dark themes? Or mas kayat mo jay happy themes ka jay? What are your preferences? Okay? Kaslang kuma digijay i-share mo nga memes. Anat mas i-share mo nga memes? Digijay papakpakatawa? Or digijay sarcasm kasla ka jay? Okay? It's up to you. And the last one is your spiritual self or your life force. You can write about reactions, about your spiritual connections to others. Ada ba di prayer partner mo? Kasla ka jay? Do you often go to church? Okay? What are your spiritual development? Do you have inner peace and joy right now? Okay, no kaslang ko mabagbagabag ka or ada iti hanga makaturturog gapo iti mesa nga banag nga panpanunutan, you write it down on the spiritual self or life force part. Okay? Next is your spiritual regimen or routine. Are you praying every day or do you have your devotion with you? Are you reading the Bible? Isurat mo ijay. Okay. So that's all about the aspects of development. You can now draw a circle and then write your answer. What or describe every aspect of development. Okay? We have 8 here. And if you have questions, just comment down below or i-join Facebook group tayo. Okay, so to be continued. Bye!